Okay, hello people. Last video I said I'd show you guys me doing a Maradona, but first I'm going to show you the steps, so I need someone to hold this camera for me, so I'm going to go beg my brother again, like my, I guess, second or something video, so beg with me people, beg. Brandon, will you hold this, like, now? I need you to get up. Take a look at my eyes. Rah, rah, rah. Okay, I need you to stand like, or at least sit or something. Stand like right here. Okay, get over here. Stand right here. He's just laser curse. Here, hold that. Turn it. Brandon! God. Turn it around. Be careful. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah.
After you dribble, you catch the ball, turn, and you pull back. That's what's fun. And pretty much it. So, it's complete. Okay, Mom. Okay.
You put your shoes in the car.
Okay, here it is. Wait, that was horrible, sorry. But you know, this would be awkward. Oh, it didn't touch. Hold on.
Oh, yeah, I need to bring the suitcases out.
Okay. Well, that was the
hungry?
end. Huh?
Y'all hungry?
Yeah.
I need to make up that cheese stuff so it won't go away.
Brandon! On me! That's how you do a Maradona. So, hope you do this, and hope you like this. Subscribe, like this video, stuff. Yeah. Take a look at my eye. Wow. Okay, so, bye. Hope you enjoy. Brandon! Give me the tablet! Boy! I'm so sorry. That's my grandmother. Say hi.